Did you know that some love stories are written in the stars, but the stars sometimes lie? Maya was 24 when she met David at a coffee shop in Prague. She was studying astronomy. He was a street musician with calloused fingers and dreams bigger than his guitar case. She would sit by the window every Tuesday, pretending to read while listening to him play. One rainy evening, he noticed her watching. "You come here a lot," he said, water dripping from his dark hair. "I'm studying the stars," she whispered. "They tell stories." He smiled. "So do songs." For 6 months, they created their own constellation. Late-night walks, shared dreams, whispered promises. Maya would trace patterns on his chest, telling him about distant galaxies. David would play melodies that sounded like starlight. But Maya had been hiding something. The headaches, the blurred vision, the reason she studied stars so desperately. She was losing her sight. The night before her final surgery, she memorized his face one last time. "Promise me," she whispered. "You'll keep playing our song." She never woke up.